You might be asking yourself, who is Never Done Projects?
Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. We're enjoying what we're doing. We're trying to have a good time. Like I said, I've told y'all many times, build this awesome community and just make the best of everyday life.
Okay, I wanted to explain why I started my YouTube channel. I've got so many thoughts in my head that thoughts and stories that I want to tell everybody, and I just want my story to get out there, to the things that's happened to me in my time, and I've been on this earth and everything, and I just wanted to tell the stories and the events that's happened, and I guess what made me me. That's why I started my channel, and it's no disrespect to anybody that's involved in the stories that I tell or the things that I do. If you take it as a negative thing, it's not. It's things that's happened to me. I've learned from them, and I've grown, and I just want to explain and get my story out there to everybody. So I ask for you to watch and kind of see my life and like I said, why I'm who I am and the things that I've went through, because the truth is usually a lot better story than any story that's made up. So stick around and hit the subscribe button and follow me and see just what kind of life these 54 years have been to me. So, like I said, like and follow, and thank you.
Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. Quit letting everybody get to you. Stop with all the negativity. Stop thinking negative. And think positive. Be on the positive side. For every negative, there is a positive, and for every positive, there is a negative. You choose which way you want to look at it. So is your cup half full or half empty? It's kind of how you want to look at it. But anyway, get out there and get on your projects. Enjoy life. Make yourself happy, because there ain't nobody else going to. And like I said, keep it silly. And I do appreciate what everybody's doing, watching. Even a couple of y'all jumped on the members. We don't really expect it, but hey, we appreciate it. Everything that comes in will be going to getting this place one step closer to where we're trying to go with the goals here and getting everything cleared up out back. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every one of you. So y'all, like I said, y'all come along for this ride. We're going to ride this thing as hard as we can and enjoy every single minute of it. So, like I said, y'all keep it silly. Thank y'all.
My wife's going out of town for the weekend, so I asked her what was I supposed to do. She said she didn't care what I do anything I want to do. So I'm going to wax my wheelbarrow.
Good? Yep.
Well, how about that for a look into the life of the Randys here at Never Done Projects? Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend to join in on the fun with these silly little YouTubers and the Snowman family.